Good morning, everyone. Workshop 5 people. Today is March 29th, 2020. We're still at home, quarantine, because we don't want to get COVID-19. So we're doing things online. Today, I email you the link to Vocabulary for Achievement Lesson 3. Okay, I have it on the screen right here. I want to point out some things regarding this lesson. First of all, at the bottom you see the current playlist, okay, and it's vocabulary lesson 3. So make sure that whether you are on the cell phone or on a laptop, that at the bottom you see this lesson being played. And here is the progress. Right now it's at 0%, but as you work on it, it's going to increase, and soon you're going to have 100%. When you reach 100%, you can upload it to the virtual campus. Okay, so that's the one thing that I wanted to show you. The deadline for this assignment is February 5th. Okay, here is the link. In the virtual campus, 33 participants. No one has uploaded because I just uploaded it to you. So make sure this week you're working on that. Besides this lesson, I also uploaded the handouts that you can read and study by yourself. Okay, and I think this is it for today. I hope you enjoy this lesson, and make sure you're doing only practice 3. Okay, this is Mr. Gerardo Triano signing off. See you around.